Hey guys, I'm at 110 Hobbies and here to show you the Team Raffee 1/10 aluminum functional two-piece car lift. Now this is not the automatic one with the motor. This is functional though, you can determine which different height, but it's basically a glorified stand for your truck to put in your scale garage. What's really neat with it is very easy to assemble, and once you get it in the box, this is how it looks like. So you have the feet, and you have the arms, and then you have the boom, and then you have the bottom and top plate. So, and then when you put it together, it looks like this, just like that. Mind you, that one's blue. It comes in two different colors, blue or red. You want a green one? Not a problem, paint it. So you do get nice scale stickers on the side that says warning, don't put a guy underneath it. So you can actually put your scale guy underneath it and take pictures. This is all scale, so it's really neat. Here's a product number. But how you adjust, how you put it together, first of all, is just two screws on the top. And this block is already installed, so you don't have to put it on. But then you have the feet, and you have one screw on each side to actually install it, and one screw there. Come on, camera, focus. So you got one screw on the bottom of the foot and another screw on top. Do that 4 times and install the top plate. To actually move these, you actually need your 2 hands. Pull the pin out, and then you can move it to a different height and then put the pin back in. So I got my Vanna White again to actually show me or do the setting on it. So you have different lengths, so these do come out very easily, depending if you have a drifter or what kind of car you have. But let's put a drifter on here, or a road car. We have the Camaro, and we also have a trail truck, and quickly show you the big difference on the two. So when you put it on, you just have to worry on how you actually set it on there, and you can adjust it to make it look more real on your car. So very easy to put a car on it and to scale it on your scale garage. Now when you put an ascender on it, you just have to put the arms. This one arm is out. You can actually make it fit also. There we go. Even the rear one is not on, but you can actually make it fit right on the chassis rail and make it look more scale. So you can make any truck fit on there. So it's a nice add-on for the scale garage. The only thing is, it is not fully mechanical, but the fully mechanical one is 3 times the price. So do you need it? How often are you going to use it to do videos? This is for setting up, mocking up your scale garage. So 90% of the time it's just pictures. So to me, this is perfect for a scale garage. So what's interesting with this is that the rear one is actually longer than the front one. So you can actually come farther back to actually carry the tire. But if you have a truck that's actually heavier from the back, so it's a good idea. But if ever it's heavier from the front, there's no problem. You can actually swap these and put the longer arm at the front. So it's nice how they've done it, that one arm is a little longer than the other one and actually comes out a little bit more. So very well and very detailed in how they've actually done this. And these come in and out very easy. I'm not even putting any pressure on this, and it's coming out very easy. And the way you take it out, you just lift it, and then everything just goes up and down. While you assemble it, another thing to do is this plate, and this is why the reason this is not assembled, is you screw this plate at the back of the arm here, and you just drop everything down from here. And once it's actually in here, you can actually just pull this, bring it to any height you want, and then you put your truck on. And just for show, you can actually have this like this and drive your truck in and do stop motion if you want. Hey, we even have other stickers on the other side, and they have a false motor on this side. Man, that trail walker looks nice on that lift. And the Camaro is just behind it waiting to get fixed. Nothing wrong with it, it's just coming for an oil change, that's it. Just coming for an oil change. Or a battery change. So you have different stickers on there, and it's actually how to actually line it up. You have danger stickers. It's really nice how they've made the details of this. I actually fixed the arm on this, so now it's actually sitting on there properly. But pretty much any truck you have, you can actually put them on there. Guys, thank you for watching, and I'll leave you with these shots of different trucks on the lift. Take some pictures and have some fun.